Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix aeroplane mode is not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. Two ways to enable or disable aeroplane mode on iPhone. Number one is open the control center and press the aeroplane mode and enable and press again and disable it. You can see appears on screen when I press. Can see not enable. Simply go back, tap on the settings. Number second is toggle, tap on toggle. You can see not working. If your aeroplane mode is not working on your iPhone, number one is force restart your iPhone and fix your problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, your problem is fixed. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check iOS update. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is reset all settings. Tap on settings app, little bit scroll up to find general. Little bit scroll up again and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset all settings. Reset all settings to confirm this action. You can see appears on screen. Are you sure you want to continue? This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings and fix this problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, now contact with support.apple.com and visit the nearest Apple store and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix aeroplane mode is not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.